passionate life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, dated over the surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel good like no other. I just want everyone to see what I've discovered. And when I'm with you, I go higher. You lift me up, now I can see so much further. You're the horizon.
Such a lekker track. It's Gavin Edwards. Now, have you ever thought of just packing your bags, get on a yacht and sail around the world? Well,
Good morning, world. We're leaving Tanzania. It's 3 a.m. Just getting dressed and packing up the rest of the stuff, and then the driver's gonna get here in like 20 minutes. Then we're gonna go. Okay. Let's do this. So tired. Our chariot has arrived, we're told. Vanderpool.
We'll get to my cars, right?
Alright, we're leaving Tanzania. It's Friday night.
No.
Hot on Saturday night. Leaving Tanzania.
Breaking out in Cheryl Grove.
Yeah.
It's 4:30 and we're already at the airport. No, it's earlier. Sorry, it's 3 o'clock. I don't even know. Yeah, it's 3 a.m.
7 o'clock on the dot. I'm in the drop. Okay, sorry, it's not music time.
No, I really don't feel like singing.
Are you ready to go?
No, I want to sleep. It's 3 o'clock.
Okay. Uh-oh. He wants to stay in Tanzania. Worked so hard to get here. Alright, I'm gonna put you away so they don't think I'm a spy.
So we are in the plane and we're going back to Johannesburg, but really kind of stressed because we don't know what's going to happen when we get back to Johannesburg because as you guys have now seen with our footage in Africa, there's no really set rules.
Yeah, they're very bendable. Just depends on the mood that the customs and immigration is going to be in when we get there. So crossing our fingers. We're so tired. It's 6 a.m. here. We got up at 3. It took about what usually takes an hour drive from Dar to the airport, and then went through customs there, checked out, and now we're taking how long is our flight?
2.5 hours to Johannesburg and then to Cape Town.
How are you feeling?
Tired. They woke me up at 3 o'clock.
2:30.
2:30.
2:30 in the morning saying, come on, it's time to go. It's still dark out.
Yeah.
Tired.
How's Doug feeling?
Doug's not happy.
Doug's feeling neglected because we haven't
Yeah.
spent time.
Doug hates that monkey. I know that Doug would get up in the middle of the night and kick the monkey.
Ka-chow. Dun dun dun.
Made it back to Cape Town, people. And we have 3 more months. We're so excited.
Happiness. Very happy. Very, very happy.
The drone made it back without incident. Yes. We're not sure what's going on here. Did he flip us off?
There he's going. Over the red light, there you go.
The laws are more like guidelines.
I told you, Moss. Here he goes. With his cell phone in the one hand.
Wow. Okay, my friends, we have procured Stefan's parents' car and we are going back to the airport because we zigged when we should have zagged and our bags got left in Joburg. And then they had to put them on a different plane to get to South Africa, Cape Town. And Yeah, so we're headed back to pick them up. I'm thankful.
so happy to be here.
Yeah, Stefan's very happy to be back. Okay, it's a success.
Well, we have our bags, but we see all the zip ties have been broken off.
Yes, which we have to go through and see if we're missing stuff. Is that right?
Yeah, welcome to Africa once again.
Well, at least now we know they got into our bags, so we know we're not crazy because we zip tied them closed. But at least we got the majority of our stuff. Hey you, we made it to the Biscuit Mill, and now we're walking down this dodgy looking alley with this dodgy looking guy. I'm gonna walk behind your Biscuit Mill. Hey guys, we're at the Biscuit Mill. It's kind of like a farmer's market that we have in the States. It's open air, there's clothes, there's food, there's biltong, which I don't eat. It smells amazing. It looks like there's tons of coffee, which I'm gonna drink all that I can. And we're waiting for Stefan's parents. Let's go check it out. Everything here is so beautiful. What a far cry from Dar es Salaam in Tanzania. I want to eat everything. I'm starving.
Yum, yum. So this is the Argentinian one, and this is the South African one.
All right, we are in Stefan's mom's car, and we're headed to the sound school to work on some sound stuff for the channel, and also the guy Simon, who is doing some of our editing, is there. He teaches there, and we're gonna go check it out, so that should be super fun. The Biscuit Mill was beautiful. I definitely don't want it to be the last time that I ever go there. The food was amazing, the people were beautiful. I kind of felt like I was at a fashion show a little bit, like the girls were dressed to the nines and the guys were peacocking, but it was like full daytime. Yeah. Full daytime,
peacocking?
yeah.
Very cool. I'm excited because I like sound. Love sound.
Okay.
Welcome to the Academy of Sound Engineering in Cape Town. This is so exciting. So what we've done is we've met up with a guy called Adam Astra, and we want to up the production value of our YouTube videos. He's been kind and very nice enough to say he will help us edit a little bit and do some sound and show us how. He's a friend from South Africa, so let's go check what they're doing. We've arrived. Simon is here. This is the guy, Adam Astra. Yeah.
Check out his daily vlog. That's why I'm doing a daily vlog now, because of this guy. Not because of quesadilla. We are top down, sun's out, headed to Camps Bay because we're feeling fancy. Did you like it in there?
Yeah, I loved it. It's not the type of sound that I like. I like more DJ sound. This is more creating sound for bands, so I know nothing about that. A little bit intimidating.
He's a one-man band.
DJ Beyond Horizons.
FM, and we're about to do a radio show.
Such a lekker track. It's Gavin Edwards. Now, have you ever thought of just packing your bags, get on a yacht and sail around the world? Well, that is the daily life of Stefan and Aubrey and their daughter Bianca, and they are on a quest to inspire those they meet to seek the silver lining around every dark cloud. They are joining me in Who's Coming for Lunch. Stefan, Aubrey, welcome to Smile 90.4 FM.
So
It's great to be in South Africa.
Yes.
This is epic. Okay, so Stefan, you're from South Africa.
That's right.
And Aubrey, you're from California.
Yes.
That is amazing. Look, let me just say, I wish I had an entire hour to spend with you guys because your story is incredibly interesting. So
Thank you.
I've mentioned, you guys travel the world and you're on a mission to inspire people. But first and foremost, I want to know, how did this life become a reality for you of getting on a yacht and sailing around the world?
So I was driving from Velgemoot on the N1 one day down to my job, and I looked left and I looked right, and I said to myself, I don't want to be an employee anymore. I want to do something great with my life. I want to look back on my life and say, man, I did it. I did that one big thing. And so I decided I will sail around the world. And I've never sailed before, but I thought, you know what, if I get a sailboat, I can teach myself and I can sail around the world. And that's
Wow.
I just literally 2.5 years ago packed up, sold everything, told everybody. They looked at me funny, and I got on a plane and I just left.
What?
It's really, really funny because I did the same thing at about the exact same time, and then we ended up crossing paths in Puerto Rico.
Wow. So that's where the two of you meet. So
Absolutely.
listen, I read that you bought a yacht for like $1.
That's right.
How on earth?
Yes, I bought a boat for $1. You can find these boats just kind of laying in a boat graveyard all around the United States, really all around the world. And people overlook them, but if you put in a little bit of hard work and a few extra bucks, you can literally take these little boats and take them around the world and breathe life right back into them.
And that is amazing because look at the two of you. I mean, no real sailing experience whatsoever, but you put your minds to it and something that you really wanted to do, and now you're living out your passion.
Absolutely.
Which I think is phenomenal. Why are you guys doing this? What is at the core of this world sailing trip?
To show people that you can do anything that you want to do. I've never sailed before. I've never owned a boat. I don't even have a captain's license. I'm sailing around the world and I'm doing it. And you can do whatever it is. Maybe you don't want to sail around the world. Maybe you just want to climb that mountain or get rid of that job or just do that thing, and you can do it. Just do it.
Dude, that is ridiculous. And Aubrey, from what I understand, I mean, you had a big fear of the ocean.
I had a huge fear of the ocean. Not just the ocean, the bathtub. I couldn't get into water more than ankle deep, but I just took the leap, sold everything I owned, and the first time I stepped foot on a boat was the first time I had moved on. So the first day living on the boat was the first day that I'd ever sailed. So both feet.
I think that is brilliant, and the fact that I've literally just met you a few minutes ago, but your energy is so positive, and I can see how people are wanting to start a conversation with you guys and maybe get some inspiration as well.
It's Bialaka in Saint Africa.
In Saint Africa, yeah!
That was great to be here.
Stefan, Aubrey, thank you very much for joining me. I
So
think you've got
nice.
such an incredible story, and yeah, all the best and
Thank
safe
you.
travels.
Thank
Safe
you so
travels.
much.
Let's just do what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you. Both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension. Move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it. Mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can have it, no regret. We make out for the thrill of it.
Did you like this video? Please subscribe. Think about becoming one of our Patreon family.
For all the behind the scenes of these girls, what they're doing on the boat, the uncut and the full version, go check them out on Vimeo.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next week on Sailing Miss Lone Star.
Maybe we'll make a deal. Maybe together we can go somewhere. Any place is better.
Let me do that too.
Oh, we're all vlogging now.
So today on my show,
And on my show.
And today on our show,
Yeah!
I'm including everyone here.
It's gonna be good.
This is the vloggers of 2018.
Right?
Man, look at this. Are we dorks?
We are total dorks.
Are we just geeks?
Or are we the
just
coolest people
social
ever?
media addicts?
Social media addicts, definitely.
Yeah.
And Bianca.
And there's Bianca.
She's like, what is my
She's
parents?
like, one day I'm gonna be a producer.
Probably.
Yeah. So,
I'm gonna try
let me grab another chair.
It is so cool here. I'm loving it. Music. Stefan's probably gonna hide in the closet so he never has to leave. Huh.
Love it. Really love it.
Bianca's googling lifehacks.com.
Life hacks? What does that mean?
I don't know. She's like deep in the internet.